The Ford F-150 has been the best-selling vehicle in America for over 40 years straight. Millions of people drive one every single day. Contractors, families, weekend warriors, ranchers, commuters. The F-150 cuts across every demographic, every lifestyle, every corner of the country. And yet, despite how common this truck is, despite how many people own one and swear by it, the vast majority of F-150 owners are driving around with a vehicle full of hidden capability they have never once touched. That's not an exaggeration. The F-150, especially in its more recent generations, is packed with engineering decisions, built-in features, and clever design choices that Ford baked into the truck but never shouted about. Some of it is buried in the owner's manual. Some of it is only discovered by accident. Some of it is the kind of thing a Ford engineer would tell you about over dinner, but that never makes it into the advertisements or the dealer walkthrough. Today, we're pulling back the curtain on all of it. We're going through the tricks, the hidden features, the overlooked tools, and the smart techniques that separate the F-150 owners who truly know their truck from the ones who are just along for the ride. If you drive an F-150, or you're thinking about buying one, or you just love knowing things other people don't, this video is for you. Let's get into it. Trick number 1. The tailgate has a built-in step and handle you're probably not using right. Walk up to almost any F-150 with a power tailgate or the standard tailgate on newer models, and you'll find something most owners either ignore or never figure out in the first place. There's a step hidden inside the tailgate itself and a handle built into the top of the bedside. Together they create a 2-point climbing system that lets you get into the bed of your truck safely, efficiently, and without performing gymnastics off the rear tire. The step deploys from a recess on the inside face of the tailgate. Depending on your model year and trim, it may swing out automatically when the tailgate opens, or it may require a manual kickdown. The handle is built into the top rail of the truck bed on the driver's side rear corner. You step up, grab the handle, and you're in the bed in one smooth motion. No muddy tires, no scuffing the paint, no twisted ankles from hopping off. What makes this trick genuinely surprising is how many F-150 owners climb into their beds every single week using the tire as a step, never realizing the official Ford-engineered solution is literally on the tailgate they just lowered. The step is rated for significant weight. The handle is solid and positioned perfectly for the motion. Once you use it the right way once, you'll never go back. Go out to your truck after this video and find it. It will take you 30 seconds, and it'll change how you interact with your truck every single day. Trick number 2. Pro Power Onboard is a full job site power station. If your F-150 is a 2021 or newer model and you opted for the Pro Power Onboard system, you are driving around with a generator in your truck that rivals what most people keep in their garages for emergencies. And a significant number of owners either don't fully understand it or aren't using it anywhere close to its full potential. Pro Power Onboard, depending on your engine and configuration, delivers between 2 and 7.2 kilowatts of exportable power from outlets built directly into the bed, the cab, and the tailgate. The 7.2 kilowatt configuration on the PowerBoost Hybrid is capable of running power tools, charging multiple devices simultaneously, powering a job site without a separate generator, running a tailgate party with a full sound system and television, keeping a refrigerator alive during a power outage, or even serving as emergency backup power for critical appliances in your home. The outlets are standard 120-volt household plugs, and some configurations include a 240-volt outlet as well. You activate the system through the touchscreen or the dedicated button depending on your trim, and the engine manages itself, running when needed to maintain output and shutting down during low-demand periods if you're on the hybrid system. People are buying portable generators for $500 to $1,000 and dragging them out of their garages when they already have this system bolted into their truck. If you have Pro Power Onboard and you've never plugged a real appliance into your truck, tonight is the night to change that. Trick number 3. The truck bed has a drain plug. This one is beautifully simple and almost universally overlooked. Your F-150's truck bed, on most configurations, has a drain plug in the rear floor of the bed. It's a rubber plug, typically positioned near the tailgate end, and it's there for an extremely practical reason. Water accumulates in truck beds. Rain gets in. Washing out the bed gets water in. Hauling anything wet gets water in. And without a drain, that water sits, promotes rust, and creates problems. The plug is designed to be removed so the bed drains freely and then replaced to keep debris from coming up through the hole when you're hauling finer materials. Most F-150 owners have washed their bed out at some point and watched the water pool in the corners, wondering how to get it out. The answer was always right there in the floor. Pull the plug, let it drain, put it back. That's it. Beyond basic drainage, knowing about this plug also matters when you're hauling certain materials. If you're carrying a load of gravel or mulch and you need the bed to drain during a rain event, you can leave the plug out. If you're hauling something you don't want contaminated from below, you make sure it's in. It's a small feature, but it reflects the kind of practical engineering that makes the F-150 genuinely useful as a work tool. And it's something the overwhelming majority of owners never know is there. Trick number 4. Locking your tailgate without a key. Your F-150's tailgate can be locked. And on most trucks, you don't need a key to do it. Ford integrated the tailgate locking mechanism with the central locking system on the majority of modern F-150 configurations. When you lock your truck using the key fob, the tailgate locks automatically. When you unlock it, the tailgate unlocks. This is the kind of seamless integration that prevents cargo theft, because a locked tailgate, combined with a bed cover or bed rail, creates a genuinely secured cargo area. What most owners miss is the manual lock cylinder that's built into the tailgate handle on many trim levels. Even if your fob integration isn't working, or you want to lock the tailgate independently of the cab, there's a physical lock there. The same key that starts your truck typically operates it. The deeper trick here is understanding how to use the tailgate lock in combination with the fold flat feature and a bed cover to create a pseudo-secure storage area that most casual thieves won't bother with. Truck bed theft is one of the most common vehicle-related crimes, and the simple act of locking your tailgate, something the truck is completely capable of doing automatically every time you lock up, eliminates a significant portion of that risk. If you're currently locking your doors and walking away without confirming the tailgate is secured, you're leaving the back door open in the most literal sense. Trick number 5. The Configurable Gauge Cluster tells you things you'd pay a mechanic to find out. The instrument cluster on modern F-150 IS, particularly those with the digital display option, is configurable in ways that go far beyond choosing a different background color. Buried in the settings is a set of vehicle data displays that surface real-time information about your truck's mechanical and operational status, the kind of data that used to require a separate OBD2 scanner plugged into your diagnostic port. You can display transmission temperature, which is critical if you're towing or driving in demanding conditions. You can monitor your turbo boost pressure on the EcoBoost engines. You can watch fuel economy calculations in real time. You can track your 4WD mode status, your trailer sway control status, and your tire pressure for each individual wheel. Some configurations let you display an inclinometer, pitch, and roll, which becomes genuinely useful if you're going off-road or working on uneven terrain. The reason this matters is information. A truck that's running too hot in the transmission is a truck that's about to have a very expensive problem. Catching it early, seeing that temperature climb into a range that concerns you while you're still in control of the situation, lets you pull over, let things cool down, and make a smart decision rather than a reactive one on the side of the highway. Go into your gauge cluster settings and spend 10 minutes learning what it can show you. You might find out your truck has been trying to tell you things for months. Trick number 6. The F-150's onboard scales can weigh your load. This one feels like something out of science fiction until you use it for the first time, and then you wonder how you ever loaded a truck without it. On F-150 models equipped with the Smart Trailer Tow Connector and the available onboard scale feature, which Ford introduced and expanded through successive generations, the truck can estimate the payload weight in the bed and the tongue weight of a trailer using sensors built into the suspension system. The system measures the change in ride height at each corner of the truck when weight is added. By comparing the loaded and unloaded positions of the suspension, the truck calculates an estimated weight figure and displays it on the screen. It's not a certified scale. You wouldn't use it to send a legal freight document, but it's accurate enough to tell you whether you're within your payload rating, whether your tongue weight is in the proper range, and whether you need to redistribute a load before you pull out of the driveway. Overloading an F-150 doesn't just affect performance. It affects braking distance, handling, tire wear, frame stress, and warranty coverage in some cases. People drive overloaded trucks all the time because they genuinely don't know how heavy their load is. The truck already has the technology to tell you. Using it takes 30 seconds and could save you from a mechanical failure, an accident, or a fine from a weigh station. It's one of the most practically important features Ford has built into this truck in the last decade, and most owners have never enabled it. Trick number 7. You can program custom shift points in the transmission. Most F-150 owners interact with the transmission in one of two ways. They leave it in drive and let it do its thing, or they use the paddle shifters or the gear selector to manually hold a gear. What almost nobody does is dig into the tow and haul mode settings and the available transmission tuning options that let you influence when and how the truck shifts under specific conditions. In tow/haul mode, the transmission logic changes significantly. It holds gears longer, downshifts more aggressively on D-splines to use engine braking, and reduces the frequency of hunting between gears when you're carrying weight. But beyond simply enabling tow/haul, understanding when to combine it with specific gear holds gives you fine-grained control over how the powertrain behaves. For example, on a long downhill grade with a trailer, manually selecting a gear 2 steps lower than the transmission would choose on its own, combined with tow/haul mode, keeps your speed controlled without touching the brakes excessively. Brakes fade, engines don't. Using the transmission and engine braking the way it was designed to be used, rather than riding the brakes down every hill, extends your brake life dramatically and gives you more confident control of a heavy combination. Understanding the intersection of mode selection, manual gear holds, and terrain response, which is available on 4WD models, turns a capable truck into a remarkably intelligent machine. Trick number 8. The hidden storage compartments you've never opened. Ford has been loading the F-150's interior with hidden and underutilized storage spaces for years, and the number of owners who walk past them every day without knowing they exist is genuinely staggering. The most famous example is the fold-flat rear seat storage system on Super Cab and Super Crew models, where the rear seat bottom folds up to reveal a large, flat storage area underneath, lockable on some trims. That's perfect for tools, valuables, or anything you want secured and out of sight. But beyond that, there are storage compartments built into the center console that most owners don't fully explore. There's a secondary tray under the main armrest lid on many configurations. The area beneath the rear seat storage on some models includes specific molded compartments designed to hold firearms in a locked configuration. The door pockets are deeper than they look. On trucks with the max recline rear seats, there are additional storage provisions built around the new seat geometry. In the bed, there are stake pocket tie-down points that most owners use occasionally, but many don't realize are standardized to accept aftermarket accessories, rail systems, clamps, and lighting mounts that integrate cleanly without drilling. The F-150 is, in a very real sense, a truck designed to be configured and customized, and Ford built the attachment points in from the factory. You just have to know where they are and what they accept. Trick number 9. Remote start can be extended without restarting from scratch. You've remote started your F-150 on a cold morning, and you're watching the time run down on the remote start window, typically 15 minutes on most configurations, and you're thinking that you need to either go out and drive it now or watch the engine shut off while you finish your coffee. Here's what most F-150 owners don't know. You can extend the remote start session without going to the truck, without restarting from scratch, and without losing the warm-up progress you've already made. Simply pressing the remote start button sequence again while the truck is already running via remote start will, on most F-150 configurations, extend the session by another full cycle. The truck registers the command, resets the timer, and continues running. Depending on your setup, this can extend the session up to the maximum time your vehicle is programmed to allow, which on some configurations through FordPass is significantly longer than the default fob-based window. The FordPass app takes this further. You can start, extend, and monitor your remote start session from anywhere with a cellular connection. You can schedule remote starts for a regular time. You can check whether the truck is running, locked, and how much fuel it has, all from your phone. For truck owners who work early shifts in cold climates, this combination of fob extension and app-based monitoring turns the F-150's remote start into a genuinely powerful daily comfort tool rather than a novelty you use twice in January. Trick number 10. Your F-150 can help you park a trailer automatically. This trick sounds like it belongs in a car commercial for a luxury European sedan, not a work truck, but Ford put it in the F-150 anyway, and it is exactly as impressive as it sounds. Pro Trailer Backup Assist, available on equipped F-150 models, allows you to back a trailer into position using just a small rotary knob on the dashboard, while the truck manages the steering automatically to execute the backing maneuver. Here's how it works. You connect your trailer, calibrate it in the system so the truck understands the trailer's geometry, and then, when you're ready to back up, you engage the system and control your speed with the brake pedal while turning the dashboard knob in the direction you want the trailer to go. The truck handles the counterintuitive steering inputs that make trailer backing such a frustrating skill to learn. Turning the knob left moves the trailer left. That's it. The computer figures out everything else. For anyone who has ever jackknifed a trailer in a campground, overshot a parking space at a boat ramp, or needed 3 people to guide them into position at a job site, this system is transformative. It doesn't replace skill entirely. You still need to understand what you're doing and manage your speed, but it dramatically lowers the barrier to competent trailer backing and removes the most common source of backing errors, which is the steering input confusion. It's one of the most underrated features Ford has ever shipped on this truck, and a meaningful percentage of owners who have it have never once turned that knob. The bottom line: the Ford F-150 is not just a truck. It has never been just a truck, but in recent generations, the gap between what it's capable of and what the average owner actually uses has grown into something remarkable. There are generators in truck beds sitting unused. There are trailer backup systems that have never been engaged. There are payload scales that have never been activated, drain plugs that have never been pulled, and gauge cluster screens full of critical data that nobody has ever configured to display. Ford engineers spent years putting this capability into the F-150. They tested it, refined it, and shipped it to millions of owners. The features are paid for. They're sitting there. All they need is someone who knows they exist. That's what today was about. Not hype, not gimmicks, just the real built-in capability of one of the most thoroughly engineered vehicles ever sold to the American public, presented clearly so you can actually go out and use it. If you drive an F-150, share this video with someone who does the same. The odds are very good that they're going to learn something that changes how they use their truck every single day. Subscribe if you want more of this, because there is always more to uncover. See you in the next one.